everyone, over 2 billion people, almost one third of all internet users all over the world, watch 1 billion hours of YouTube videos every day. And if you are someone who has a YouTube channel and is wondering how to stand out and grab the attention of the viewers amidst this huge competition, then this video is for you. Because the secret solution to cut through competition and grab people's attention is by creating and adding a high-quality YouTube intro video to your YouTube videos. Thus, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can easily create a high-quality YouTube intro video. I'm Aparna Sindhu from LearnWoo, and let's get started. To easily create a high-quality YouTube intro video, we shall be using the Canva website. Now you must be thinking, why only the Canva website? That's because there are no watermarks, it is free, it's all done through Canva platform itself, and it's quick and easy to use. And apart all these, Canva has plenty of free YouTube intro video templates for YouTube channels of all kind, making it even easier for you. Before we move to the step of creating the YouTube intro video, there are 3 points you must keep in mind while creating the intro video. Number 1, keep a YouTube intro video short, around 10 to 15 seconds only. Number 2, add some eye-catching visuals to grab the viewer's attention. And number 3, you can ensure brand consistency by including your channel's name, logo, and add font as well as any hashtags or website links in your YouTube intro video. Now, since you have kept all these points in your head, let's move to the tutorial part. For that, first go to Canva website, go to the search bar and search YouTube intro video. Now here you'll get plenty of templates. Select the one that suits your channel's requirements. Once selected, click Customize. Next, in the Canva editing page, change the already existing image with your channel's logo. For that, go to Uploads from the left panel, click Upload File and upload the image you want to replace in the place of the existing one. Here I'm uploading the logo of my YouTube channel to make it look more presentable. Below in the description, I have mentioned a link to a video about how to easily create a company logo using Canva. Once done, you can see the image uploaded in the upload section. Click on the image and the image will come on the editing area. Now drag and drop the image right on top of the image you want to replace, and it will be done. Once done, change the text according to your need. I'll keep it the way it is to keep the actual design of the template here. Next, click on Animate to put an animation on the text. Here you'll get plenty of options. When you click on each animation option, you can see the effect on the video if you click on the play option here in the bottom. Once all the changes are done, go to the right top corner and click on Share. Now click on Download. Next, choose the correct file type. Here I've selected MP4. However, YouTube supports common video file formats such as MOV, AVI and WMV also. Once done, click on Download option here and it will be downloaded. Now let's see how the YouTube intro video looks like. And it looks something like this. And that was it. Now this is how you can create a YouTube intro video to get a better branding for your channel and grab the attention of your viewers. From this video, you can see how easily you can create a YouTube intro video in no time. Let us know in the comment section if you found this video useful. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing off and we'll see you in the next video.